Hello to all my amazing viewers. Welcome back again. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also turn on your notification bell icon so you will see all my new uploads. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make catfish barbecue. Guys, as you can see on the screen, these are the ingredients I'll be using for my today's recipe. So I will start by blending my ginger, garlic, red bell pepper and my normal pepper together. Next, I will go ahead to add my salt, chicken stock cube into my blended pepper mixture. Next, I'll go ahead to add some dried seasoning herbs into my blended pepper mixture. You can as well skip this part if you don't like it. So I have here oregano and basil leaf. And after that, I'll add some vegetable oil. After adding the vegetable oil, I'll make sure I mix everything properly. Now is the time to apply my pepper mixture to my fish. I'm going to be using spoon for now. After applying, I'll use my hand, my well cleaned hand, to massage it to make sure the pepper and everything mix well with the fish. After giving my fish a proper massage with the pepper mixture, I'll go ahead to fold my fresh spring onion and put inside my fish. Next is to peel my plantain, cut into 3 parts and put on the both side of my fish. You can as well use Irish potato or yam for this recipe, or you can also skip if you wish. Next is to apply the suya spice on the fish. If you want to see how I made this homemade suya spice, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon. So whenever I upload the video where I made this suya spice, you will be the first to see the video. After everything, brush with oil to help the ingredient to stick to the fish. After everything, I'll wrap with my foil paper, put in my oven and allow it to grill for about 30 to 40 minutes on a high heat. This is 40 minutes later. As you can see, my fish is ready now. So I'm going to go ahead to unwrap the fish and show you guys how the inside looks like. Guys, can you see how yummy and delicious my catfish barbecue look like? Also, try this recipe at home and give feedback on the comment section. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you like this recipe.